In this video, I'm going to show you how you can password protect pages on Wix. So here I'm on the home page, but I've created a protected area page, which if someone was to click on, it's going to ask them for a password. And once that person types in the password, they'll then be allowed to access the page. This page currently has nothing on it, but you can see we're now in the protected area page. So here's how you can create this on your website. So first you need to go into your website editor. To do that, obviously click on your website once you log in, then go to your dashboard and click edit site, and that will take you into your website editor. From here, you need to go ahead and open and create a new page. So I'm going to go pages and menu. We can then click add page. And for this video, we'll just create a blank page and it will then open up a new page and it should add it to your page navigation up here. I'll just call it for this video tutorial and then we'll click done. So now tutorial here, we're going to password protect. So if you click on the three dots next to it, you can then go to settings, then go to permissions, and then who can access this page. You want to change it to password holders, then enter in a password, then you can click off of this. Now everything that you now add to this website and this page will be password protected. So if you update this and you publish it, you'll be able to check if it's working. So here you can see tutorial. If we click on that, it's going to ask for a password. And then if someone enters in the password, it's going to take them inside of the page. So that is all you have to do.